Okay friends, to get started what we're going to do is we're going to come right here and we're going to take off this outer trim panel here. To do that, if you were to look right along in between the center part and the outer part, you're going to see that there's a little tab that's kind of hidden right inside the center here. I'm just going to come in with my nice flat screwdriver, carefully pry on this, and then I should be able to carefully pull this away. We'll do the same up along the top. And there should be another one right down along the bottom. There we are. Put this aside. Now it's going to be time to get our inside bezel on here. Just pay attention to those clips. Make sure that they line up with the corresponding holes before you go ahead and push it in. Okay. Should hear it click in. Push that in. Perfect.